Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Binance cryptocurrency marketplace on Windows 11 PC. Binance is a very big and very popular cryptocurrency marketplace. They have desktop application. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Binance desktop application on Windows 11 PC. So I open my browser and then I type Binance, then hit enter. This is the official website of Binance. So I enter this website and I scroll down, and here is the option Windows. So I click on it and setup file is downloading now. It take few minutes, so I fast forward it. So download is completed. I minimize my browser. This is the setup file of Binance. So I double click on it. Computer asks me permission to install this software, so I click on yes and click on OK and then click on next. Very easy step to install this software, so we need to wait. After completed download, then I click on finish button and then application is running now. It will take few seconds to show interface on desktop. So this is desktop application of Binance. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install Binance on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.